Hey, welcome back to part 2 of the unboxing of the Gundam universe. GU02 XXXG-01W Wing Gundam. A cross correlation between Bandai and Tamashii Nations. Don't know why Tamashii Nations put a sticker here, which doesn't make any sense considering that they already got the logo right here. Yeah. I love how they do the design, which is different on each box. That does show what series it is. W for Wing. The original little REViRE head for that box, and then the unicorn for the unicorn, which is very nice detail. But yeah, as I was saying before my video call on me, yeah, GU01 is the original Gundam, or RX-782. GU03 is the Unicorn Gundam in the story mode, so Red Cycle Flame destroy mode. Okay. Now it says that it's distributed by Bluefin, which, you know, if you buy Gunpla kits from Amazon, they're going to have this big old Bluefin sticker on there, which I guess it's kind of like a customs thing to make sure all the parts are in there and stuff. And that, you know, if you say you want, I don't know, like IBO Bartos Lupus Wets, you're going to be getting an IBO Bartos Lupus Wets in like a 1/144 scale, if that's what you paid for it. You know, so I do like how Bluefin definitely does a lot of checked in and making sure is the parts there, stitchers there, instruction sheet, special display base stand, and what have you. Yeah. It's also by Bandai Namco Group. Yeah. Now here's something that's weird. GUNDAM.iNFO. They have a YouTube channel. And then you see like the little hover bar roll across the screen and it says GUNDAM.iNFO. It says it perfectly clear in English. The language that I'm speaking right here, right now. But yeah, when the video plays a couple more seconds, and you're like, oh, I want to watch like IBO or Build Divers or, you know, Build Divers Season 2 or, you know, whatever they have. Build Fight Tri-Fighters, you know. It's either in Japanese or it's in Japanese with English subtitles. And you're like, wait a minute, GUNDAM.iNFO, what the F? Just a couple seconds ago, you said perfectly clear in English, GUNDAM.iNFO. And then 2 seconds later, it's yay! And you know, and you're like, why am I hearing this in Japanese and we're in English subtitles when GUNDAM.iNFO was spoken in English? They clearly said GUNDAM.iNFO in plain English, just like how if you watch Gundam Win here, or the Iron Boy Orphans on Toonami, or, you know, anyone else on Toonami, or now the Adventures of Char, the web comic, you know, origin story, how Toonami's doing that series now, which is actually a pretty good series. But yeah, perfect clear English, and just like how a couple, like about maybe a year and a half ago, no, actually more than a year and a half ago, they did Gundam Unicorn, the whole series, in English. So yeah, don't get why. So that's in English GUNDAM.iNFO, then switches over to Japanese with English subtitles. No, that's complete BS, but yeah. Anyway, you can go to, you know, the website there. Links down below in the description. So here, beginning in 1979, the universe of Gundam spanned over 4 decades with many derivative tales of war in space and on Earth, fought with giant robots, weapons called mobile suits, which we know some of them are not mobile suits. Mobile suits, they are actually Gundams, like the Wing Gundam and the Unicorn Gundam. Although I guess technically you could kind of say Unicorn Gundam is somewhat of a mobile suit because it transforms. So does the Banshee / Nor, which apparently after all these years before I found that's supposed to be a lion. It looks nothing like a freaking lion. At least the unicorn has like the horn like a unicorn, and it has a little unicorn crest on it from the Vis Foundation. And like, yeah, that's a unicorn. And then the Fenix, which you're like, okay, they misspelled the word phoenix, but phoenix, unicorn. But what's this Banshee? Banshee apparently is a lion. How the heck do you get a lion for Banshee? It doesn't even look like a freaking lion. But they're like, the big giant claw once in Banshee Nora mode. It's just a big giant claw. It doesn't even look like a lion's paw. It's like, had it not seen a lion? Like, for real. Like, why didn't it go with the dragon light? But I know it's Chinese, you know, lions and stuff. Lions, unicorns, and phoenix. I think there should have been another one, lion, unicorn, phoenix, and dragon. But, yeah. Anyway. Getting back to where it was. Gundam Universe. Commemorates the history with 6-inch scale action, articulated action figures. So, they say that they're 6 inches, but some range a little bit more, a little bit taller. Depends on what they got, you know. Some might have a little bit bulkier shoulders. Some might have a little bit smaller waist or chest or something. Or arms, you know. Their back pads and stuff. So yeah. And then down here, I don't know if you can see it there. It says, the Titanium Gundam from Mosu Gundam W Wing, 1995. Yeah! For us Americans. Woo! The Wing Gundam was designed by Dr. J of the L Colony and was powered by the skilled Hiro Yui. It was a powerful... It has a powerful buster rifle that can deliver 3 devastation blasts before needing to be recharged. Which is a little bit odd that it can only fire 3 times and then it needs to recharge. While the Unicorn Gundam has a removable magazine on its beam rifle that can fire 5 shots before it needs a new magazine. But the devastation power between a 5-shot, you know, Unicorn with a removable magazine beam rifle, and, you know, the Wing Gundam with a non-removable beam rifle, I think it just needs like a power carrier to charge it up. They can only hold 3 shots. It's different. I mean, this one shot could take down a couple mobile suits and maybe a Gundam. Another Gundam. While the Unicorn would need 2, maybe 3 shots to take down the same amount of, you know, mobile suits and a Gundam. Versus the 1-shot fire from this one. I think in overall power, Wing Gundam had the most power compared to Unicorn when it came to Hiro Yui using the buster rifle. The power of the beam rifles, I gotta give up to Hiro Yui. If we were comparing, you know, the 3 shots to the 5 shots, less shots, but more powerful. At least that's what it seems to me. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the unbox and tail at it. And see what's all the little doodads and gizmos and gadgets we get in here. So do move that web piece to get to your instructions. So here's what it's going to be looking like. So let's go ahead and quickly let a little information thing, and let's clean this up. So the arrow with the dot dashes on it means attach. Grayed out one means remove. Just the complete blacked in, colored in one is, you know, movable. So putting the wings in and they do move. Same on the other side, left and right wings you get. The buster rifle which looks like it can only be wielded with the right hand. Interchangeable hand parts. So it comes with 2 sets of hands. Obviously, the crow's fist is what it comes with. It comes with 1 white trigger finger hand. Like this, where it's got that trigger finger. And then it comes with kind of grabbing or holding left hand. So yeah. The Buster Rifle, the fitter, the saying, of course, the refins, the delicate areas on there, the shield, how to attach and put the shield in there, the little shield bit to hold the, I guess they call it shield joint. And then you get this little joint here, which, get this, compatible with Tamashii stage at 5, sold separately. So, yeah, I wanted to get this little piece out and show you. This little piece here, the little Gundam butt plug for the display stands, is only can't speak right now, getting a little tongue-tied. Compatible. Don't know why that word's so hard for me to say today. Compatible with a Tamashii at 5 stage. So if you have any Gundam Action Bases, Action Base 4, Action Base 5, will not work. Even though it's a Bandai and Tamashii Nation product correlation. Can only work with Tamashii Nation stage at 5. Which is kind of BS because most of us Gundam fans, we have, the Gundam Action Base. Action Base Original, Action Base 3, Action Base 4, Action Base 5, the remakes and stuff. We like our Gundam Action Bases. And this being a Gundam, you think they'll give it, like, whether